Jatend piny mar Senegal Diomaye ma hoyore nyasi mar mashujaa manobagi pachoka kawuono otiyo gi thuolo mare mar paro mosenindo Raila Odinga. Bende ojiwo ni Kenya oger kar hembko ma ibiro ketie nonro mag thuondi ma okelo lokruok e pachoka.
I would like first to take this opportunity to renew the heartfelt condolences of the people of Senegal to the brotherly people of Kenya and the passing of Mr. Raila Odinga, a former Prime Minister and a great leader in the political history of Kenya. I pay tribute to the memory of the illustrious departed and express my deep compassion to President Ruto, to his family, and to the people of Kenya. May his soul rest in peace. Our heroes deserve all honors. They deserve our respect. They deserve our admiration. The celebration of Kenyan heroes who risked their lives fighting for the independence of their country is a great tribute that commands respect and pride.